Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to block accounts from posts on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. The process has slightly changed in the latest update, so this guide will walk you through each step clearly and quickly. First, open the X app or website on your computer. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to manage. Once you're in, find the post made by the user you want to block. This can be on your timeline, in your notifications, or even through search results. Next, look for the small icon with 3 dots, usually found at the top right corner of the post. This is often called the More icon. Click on it to open a drop-down menu with several options related to that post and user. From the menu that appears, choose the option labeled Block. When you click it, X will show a pop-up window asking if you're sure you want to block this account. Blocking someone means they won't be able to follow you, view your posts, or interact with you in any way on the platform. After reviewing the message, click the block button again to confirm your choice. Once you do this, X will immediately block the account, and you'll see a confirmation message letting you know the action was successful. If you ever change your mind later, you can easily unblock the user from your settings or their profile page. And that's it. You've just learned how to block accounts directly from their posts on X using the new PC update. It's simple, fast, and a great way to keep your feed clean and peaceful. If this walkthrough helped you, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching.